Excited to make something uniquely yours? Today I'm walking you through how to create this stunning tropical flowers purse as part of our brand new Sew Along event. Trust me, you're going to love this project. Let's build this purse from the ground up. Your machine will stitch out a placer line for the front batting. Go ahead and place batting 1 over that line and let it stitch down. When you're trimming the batting, stay really close to the stitching. About 1 to 2 millimeters away is perfect. Now comes the fun part, adding our zipper. After your machine stitches the placer line, position your zipper right side up, centered perfectly on that line. Don't worry if your zipper seems too long. We'll trim that down later. Make sure the zipper pull hangs past the side of the hoop and secure everything with some tape. Once it's stitched down, you can remove that tape. Let's work on the top section of our purse. We're going to create a beautiful sandwich of fabric and lining above the zipper. Flip your hoop over so you're looking at the wrong side, and we'll start with lining 1. Using the upper zipper stitching as your guide, place lining 1 wrong side up, overlapping that stitching by 1/4 inch. The extra fabric should point toward the center of your hoop. Go ahead and tape that in place. Now for the pretty part. Flip the hoop back over and add fabric A in the same way, wrong side up, 1/4 inch overlap, with the excess pointing to the middle. Double check that your lining 1 is still secure and let the machine work its magic to stitch both layers down. Here's where we need to be a bit precise. Fold fabric A up toward the top of your hoop and tape it down. Then flip everything over and do the same with lining 1. Once they're both secured, let the machine stitch them in place. We're going to repeat this whole process for the bottom section using fabric B and lining 2. It's just like what we did before, but working below the zipper this time. Take your time with this part. Proper placement here will make your purse look professional. Once that's all stitched down, we get to the really exciting part, the embroidery. Your machine will start creating those beautiful tropical flowers, followed by some lovely quilting details. Are you enjoying the tutorial so far? This design is part of our exciting new sew-along event. Join the Sweepy Machine Embroidery Facebook group to share your progress. I'll leave the link for that group in the description below. Connect with others and compete for some fantastic prizes. Alright, let's get back to creating your beautiful purse. Let's work on the back of the purse now. Release lining 2 from its temporary position. Fold it down to cover all that beautiful stitching we just did and secure it. Here's an important detail. Open your zipper pull to the center position. We'll tape down the zipper opening at the edges so your embroidery foot doesn't catch on anything. Now for fabric C. This goes on top, wrong side up. If you want your purse to have a really professional feel, I recommend adding that optional second layer of batting. It gives both sides the same luxurious thickness. You might need to raise your embroidery foot slightly for this step. We're in the home stretch now. After trimming that optional batting, but not fabric C, flip everything over one last time to add lining 3. This will create a nice clean interior for your purse. Don't worry about that opening at the bottom. We actually need that for turning everything right side out later. Time for the big reveal now, folks. Remove your work from the hoop and get rid of as much stabilizer as you can. To all my amazing viewers still with me, thank you. Don't forget to check out our website swpea.com. We've got over 2,000 incredible machine embroidery designs and all the essential supplies you see here, like the tearaway stabilizer and that perfect zipper. Alright, now let's finish your purse. Trim those seams to about 1/4 inch, but leave a bit more, about 1/2 inch along that bottom opening. Don't forget to clip those corners for a nice, sharp finish. Now for some purse magic. Turn everything right side out through that bottom opening. A chopstick or that pink thing works great for pushing out those corners. Give everything a light press, then either hand stitch or use fabric glue to close up that opening. One last step. Your purse is still inside out at this point. Remove any remaining stabiliser from around the zipper. Either tear it away or wash it out, depending on which type you used. Then turn the whole purse right side out through the zipper opening. Push those corners out again with your chopstick. Give it one final press and ta-da! You've just created your very own tropical flowers purse. Great job sticking with it through all those steps. Your new purse looks amazing. Happy sewing! And there you have it, your very own tropical flowers purse. I can't wait to see your versions. So don't forget to join the Sweet Pea Machine Embroidery Facebook group and share your masterpiece. Thank you for stitching along with me today, and until next time, happy sewing.